Hey, it's Chase from On the Table Gaming, and today I want to talk about the first new unit I've purchased for A Song of Ice and Fire the Miniatures game, the Lannister Pyromancers. Right off the bat, there's a lot of ways you can build this out, a lot of different commanders. This is just an unboxing video, but let me suggest, if you've got the points and you're going to put them on the table right off the bat, throw in an assault veteran, because that order giving them +1 to hit and +2 attack dice means they're going to be hitting at 8 dice when they're already engaged, 8 dice that cannot be negated by armor. And with a +1 to hit, that means no matter what you roll, you're doing damage. Because even if you roll a 1, you're hurting yourself, but you're hurting your opponent. And at 2 or better, you're dealing damage to them. So this is an absolutely amazing unit. The sculpts are beautiful. Although there's only 3 variations, they look great. They're very stoic and posed. And I'm so excited to get these Lannister Pyromancers on the table.